your favorite pieces from the linen collection, please welcome Matteo Guidicelli, Sara Geronimo, and Solen Husaf Mojico. Okay guys, look at your outfits naman. Before we let you sit down, I want to say hi to all of our audience members. Good afternoon, everyone. Alright, perfect. Well, let's get comfortable. Let's just feel like we're at home. Even if akala mo business meeting to, Matteo. Parang bahay ko lang.
Hi everyone! Hello!
Guys, when you came in, it felt like, you know, we were already, as Jan mentioned, parang it's giving resort. We're so laid back, we're so casual, very spring, summery. I'm loving the outfits. Can you tell us, maybe I'll start with Solen. Can you tell us a little bit about your linen picks today?
Okay, so I'm wearing the linen premium long sleeve, which is really lightweight. It's great to move around in. And then I paired it with the, tatayo ba ako? Okay. Yung linen cotton shorts that are very comfortable as well. And then, of course, I can't live without my bra top, so I'm wearing the Arizem sleeveless bra top. I don't know, I just think it's a very chic outfit, very easy to move around. And lalo ngayon na medyo mainit, di ba, sa Pilipinas. It's very nice to be able to dress up, but in the same time, you feel breezy and comfortable. And I love the detail in these shorts na may parang pleat, so parang may touch of class, you know.
Yeah, it makes it so much more modern and classy at the same time.
Like I'm ready to go to Amalfi Coast, diba?
Even if you're in Quezon City or Intramuros, it's giving Amalfi Coast.
Intramuros, Amalfi.
Yeah. Asan ka? Amalfi, Intramuros. Ganon. Super perfect, and I really like this, the way you styled it. Jack, tell us, how would you style it depending on what activities you're doing?
So maybe like if I were to go to a school meeting or a meeting at work, you could kind of like close this up and then maybe put a pencil skirt for that more formal look. If you're at the beach, actually this is quite long sleeve, super magaan and fresco. So with a bathing suit under, naka-open, won't give any more details. But yeah, it's a very versatile piece, and they come in so many different colors, so you can really find the color that matches your skin tone or even just the vibe you want to go for. Yeah, there's just so many great pieces.
Yeah, and honestly, that's also what's great about it, is the versatility. There's so many ways you can wear it. And I wanted to ask, because I really love the way you styled this linen look. What's your favorite part about the outfit?
Since Solen is standing up, let me stand up.
Okay.
So right here I'm wearing this beautiful premium linen shirt, nice linen jackets and suits and stuff. So it's very exciting. And my favorite item I'm using today, aside from all the linen, European linen.
Oh,
European linen, of course.
Okay.
Aside from the European linen is my shades.
Nax naman.
Ladies and gentlemen, these shades are Uniqlo. We have an amazing line of shades there in the back, so you're going to experience and see them very soon.
Yes, we're going to talk more about the shades in just a little bit, but I like how you mentioned that the fabric and the way that they're cut, it's very premium, as you said, but it's still also very relaxed. So there are so many ways in which you can wear the pieces, and I also like that it gives it a very elegant, effortless.
Definitely, I think that's the
feel.
goal with lifewear, especially premium, sophisticated but elegant all the time and easy to use. It's
Very classy.
Yes, understated. But that's why I love the whole new 2026 line, the spring summer. It's amazing.
And we mentioned earlier, Jan, ano na siya, genderless, di ba? So Sarah, you can also wear another shirt. Di ba? Go into his closet and like, it's mine now.
I actually borrow.
Yes. Akin na to, di ba? Jan, can you tell us a little bit more about the fabrics that were used in this?
Okay, aside from it being Mateo's favorite, actually binulong niya talaga sa akin, favorite niya ang premium linen. And the why to it is because it's made na of 100% European flax. So the ingredients was really well thought through so that it provides the cooling that Solen was also mentioning, because really premium linen tends to be very intimidating, right? Because our tendency is as Filipinos, we think it's mainit, right? But the reality is if it's made with proper material, it's actually very comfortable. And then what Mateo was actually wearing from a pant standpoint is cotton linen. So that was again very intentional so that it actually gives naman na Mateo a very soft and relaxed feel while he's walking. Our linen is actually gets softer as you wash.
Oh, wow.
And actually, we have a fun fact because linen, or premium linen exactly, actually ages with you. So, sakto yung pwede kayong magpalitan,
Yes.
but then after that, it even feels softer. So, the material gets better.
Ooh,
as
I
you
love
use it.
that. Gets better with time. But I love that you guys have matching but more complementary linen looks. So Sarah, I wanted to ask you, can you tell us about your linen picks today?
Natayo din ako.
Sige, go.
Okay, so, hi, I'm wearing the linen blend coverall jacket. Gustong-gusto ko yung texture niya because it has the combination of cotton softness and linen smoothness. So, feel mo nga,
I just want to highlight, because aside from her being a superstar, na carrying
hindi
yung
naman
outfit,
superstar mo.
Pero tingnan mo naman, even with baggy pants, di ba, very versatile ang ating linen.
Yes.
So, and on top of that, actually pag yung inside Sarah's outfit is actually my favorite, Supima t-shirt.
Okay. So what is it about the Supima t-shirt that you love so much?
Okay, and who here has a U Crew t-shirt? I think a lot of you have U Crew t-shirt and probably all colors of it, right? Now, I want to introduce Supima because actually this is my real favorite. Even better than the U Crew. Why? Because it's actually made out of just 1% of global production of cotton. Which means it is one, very rare, and then it's the highest quality of cotton that you can ever find.
Wow.
That's why kasi Sarah, when we were talking earlier, sabi niya actually, even if it's 2 layers,
Layer siya.
she didn't mind. She didn't find it hot. So, Supima cotton is really the supreme cotton.
So is it more, you would say, is it more of the Fresco material?
Yes. So aside
Okay.
from it being Fresco, it's actually smooth also. So you actually think it's the gold standard of cotton.
I can feel when you wear it.
It's super soft, super light, and it's also very durable.
Very
So,
durable.
high
And
quality.